Hari Om children, today we are going to learn natural vegetation. Natural vegetation means the plant community grow without human effort is known as natural vegetation. In an agricultural field, human being cultivate some variety of plant. That is not a natural vegetation. In a forest area, the trees, climbers, creepers are all grow without human effort. Non-interference by human, they are grow. That is known as natural vegetation. In this class, we will learn about the natural vegetation. This natural vegetation is not same in all the places of India. It differs from place to place. This difference is because of climate, soil and landform. According to the climate, soil and landform, the variety of plant grow in a particular area is differ. So in this class we will learn about the types of natural vegetation, that means types of forest. These are all the types of forest: tropical evergreen forest, tropical deciduous forest, tropical thorn forest, mountain forest, mangrove forest, riverine forest and coastal forest, shrub and thorn forest. Let us learn one by one. At very first, tropical evergreen forest. You see in the picture is tropical evergreen type of forest. This type of forest is found in the area which receive more than 200 centimeter rainfall. The area which receive more than 200 centimeter rainfall have tropical evergreen type of vegetation. The temperature of this forest is more than 22 degrees Celsius and the humidity exceeds 70% in this region. These types of forest is found at, already I explained you in the types of at the time of studying the rainfall region. The area western side of Western Ghats and northeastern states receive more than 200 centimeter rainfall. So in this place, these types of tropical evergreen forest are found. The trees, you have 2 more question in your 10th standard this lesson. Name the trees found in tropical evergreen forest: rubber, mahogany, ebony, rosewood, coconut, bamboo, cinchona, candas, palm, ironwood are the trees found in tropical evergreen forest. Due to lack of transport facility, some part of this tropical evergreen forest is not exploited by the human being. So see, this is the top view of tropical evergreen forest. Due to the dense growth of trees, the sun's rays never reach the ground. There are varieties of climbers, creepers and tall trees. Trees grow up to the height of 60 meter in this forest. So next one. The next, tropical deciduous forest. These forests are found in the area which receive the rainfall between 100 and 200 centimeter. This forest is also known as monsoon forest because in a dry season the rainfall is only 100 to 200 centimeter per annum. So in dry season, due to avoid evaporation, the trees in these forests shed their leaves. So in seasonally it shed their leaves. So this forest is also known as monsoon forest. The temperature of this forest is about 27 degrees Celsius and the average humidity is 60 to 70%. The trees found in these forests are hardwood trees. It is used for furniture making. So the trees provide fragrant oil, varnish, sandal oil and perfumes. Let us learn next one. Tropical dry forests are found in the area which receive 50 to 100 centimeter annual rainfall. These forests are found in the areas of eastern Rajasthan, eastern Maharashtra. The trees found in these forests is bamboo, babul, kayar, palas or the trees. Some varieties of trees found in these types of forest. These forests are found in the area which receive the annual rainfall of 50 to 100 centimeter rainfall. This is known as tropical dry forest. The area which receive below 50 centimeter rainfall have desert and semi-desert type of vegetation. So these are all also known as tropical thorn forest because the plant in these forests have thorns instead of leaves due to avoid water evaporation. I think you learned this about in the science, isn't it? So in these forests the rainfall is below 50 centimeters, so due to avoid water evaporation, instead of leaves these forest the trees the plant in these forests have thorn. So in the western Rajasthan in India, we can find these types of forest, tropical dry forest. The next one is mountain forest. The forest found in the mountain region is known as mountain forest. These forests are classified on the basis of altitude and amount of rainfall. According to these, we can divide the Indian mountain forest into two types: Eastern Himalayan forest and Western Himalayan forest. Type of plant grow in a mountain forest is differ from altitude. So see in this picture, according to the altitude, the type of plant grow in a particular that area is differ. So these alpine trees and are all high altitude trees. This is Eastern Himalayan forest. These are found on the slopes of the mountains in northeast states. These forests receive rainfall of more than 200 centimeter rainfall. So the vegetation is of evergreen type. So the plant growth is differ from altitude. This is Western Himalayan forest. The rainfall of this region is moderate. These forests are found in the states of Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh and Uttarakhand. The next one is alpine forest. It occurs all along the Himalayas with above 2400 meter altitude. The eastern parts of Himalayas has large extent of alpine trees. These are all the trees found in alpine forest. So this type of forest is located in a high altitude, above 2400 meter altitude. So the cold in this place experience a severe cold. So for that purpose the trees are coniferous trees. Oak, silver fir, pine, that like coniferous trees are found in this alpine forest. The next one is tidal forest or mangrove forest. These forests occur in and around the deltas and estuaries. Already I explained you when the river water mixed with ocean at the place of mixing, that is known as estuary. In that place there is a salty water, some quantity of fresh water and some quantity of salty water mixed with each other. So in this type of area the tidal forest is found. This forest is very rich in biodiversity. So the trees found in this forest is used for shipbuilding industry because it is a very strong trees. So in India, Ganga Brahmaputra delta is known for tidal forest or mangrove forest. This forest is known as tidal forest or mangrove forest. You have on map question Sundarban, the Ganga Brahmaputra delta, that mangrove forest is known as Sundarbans. The forest found along the coastal region is known as coastal forest. These are littoral forest. So palm and coconut are the dominant trees found in this coastal forest. Both the eastern and west coast region of India have this type of vegetation. The coast of Kerala and Goa are known for this type of coastal forest. The forest found along the river bank is known as riverine forest. These are known for tamarind and tamarisk type of vegetation. The rivers of Great Plains are more prominent for this type of riverine vegetation. That's all children. Types of natural vegetation over. You have one 5 mark question. You have explain the types of natural vegetation in India. For that question you have to write the all types of, you have to explain all types of forest. Use these pictures to study. So one 5 mark question, types of natural vegetation or types of forest found in India, you have to write fully. And one 2 mark question, name the trees found in tropical evergreen forest. And another one, name the places of mangrove forest. And another one, distinguish, you have, that is distinguish between tropical evergreen forest and tropical deciduous or monsoon forest. So see this, take a snapshot and take a notes, that is useful to study. Now you have no book, so take a copy of this, that is useful to study. So take a snapshot children. You have to write fully all the types of forest for your that 5 mark question. And that distinguish, you have to write 4 points. Tropical evergreen forest you can use for rainfall, temperature, humidity, trees and the place where it is found are all. And you have a map work also in this part. So maybe ask the any type of forest, give any type of forest and tell you to mark in the map. So they ask tropical evergreen forest means this area, this green color area, this northeastern states, and this is tropical evergreen forest. And tropical deciduous forest means these are all the areas of tropical deciduous forest. This is dry forest or desert forest or below 50 centimeter rainfall, this place. So Sundarban, this is Sundarban or tidal forest. They ask Sundarban or tidal forest. This is one of the important questions. So this is this place. You have to shade this place and have to write the Sundarban or tidal forest or mangrove forest. Are you understand children? So your today's homework is you have to write these all. Distinguish and the 2 mark question, name the trees found in tropical evergreen forest and the places of tidal forest or mangrove forest, and distinguish between tropical evergreen forest and monsoon forest. And the 5 mark question, you have to write all the types of natural vegetation. Okay children, thank you.